This is a wakeboat, and this is me driving a wakeboat around the dock. On this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 different scenarios on how to control your boat around the dock. In all these scenarios, I'll have multiple camera angles, and I'll talk you through all the things you need to do so you can control your boat. All you got to do is use your steering wheel and your throttle. I want to make it so you can dock like a boss. Scenario number 1, the nose picker. This is where you bring in the nose of the boat to pick somebody up off the dock. Typically, it's the person that went and parked the trailer. Here's my plan for this approach. I'm going to put the nose in right here. I'll hit reverse, and the nose will pull away from the dock, and I'll be on my way. Notice that I'm in neutral way more than I'm in gear. Neutral is your safe space. Also note, you can only steer the boat when you're in gear. While the boat's in gear, you turn the steering wheel to the left to initiate the turn. Make some correction turns to make sure that the nose of the boat is going towards the dock. Hard reverse. Reverse. Neutral. Reverse. Neutral. I didn't realize she wanted the boat a little closer. I should have done a better job reading her mind.
Yep.
Forward.
Okay.
Neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Reverse.
You okay?
Neutral. Turn the steering wheel to the left and now forward, and you're on your way to go have some fun. Scenario number 2, rear entry, or as Dieter says, the butt. This is used when you have the bow full, but you still need to pick somebody up from the dock. You can slide the back end of the boat to the dock, and they can step onto the platform. My plan for this one is to swing the back end of the boat to this point in the dock, pick up my guest, and be on our way. Initiate your spin a couple boat lengths away from the dock. You're going to want to turn left on this one because most boats will suck the back end to the right, and you want to use the boat's natural turning movement to help with the spin. Crank it hard to the left. Hit forward to initiate the spin. Neutral. Hard reverse to really get the boat to spin. Neutral. Forward. Neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Forward. Neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Forward. Neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Forward. Neutral. Reverse. Slow reverse. Back towards the dock. Neutral. Forward. Turn to the right. Forward. Neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Forward. Neutral. And now forward, not too hard, so that the passenger doesn't fall when they're getting onto the boat. And you're on your way to go have some fun. Third, the side shimmy. This is when you're actually going to tie up to the dock. My plan is to pull up into this spot right here. There's only cleats on the outside of this dock. If you dock your boat here, you end up blocking an entire lane for people launching their boats. With this boat here, the only spot for me to dock is right here. I will come forward to the dock at about a 45, then stop my forward momentum and suck the back end into the dock. For this maneuver, make sure that you have your fenders out. You want them to be at the right height so that they will protect your boat from the dock. You will need to line up the boat going towards the dock. When you get a couple feet from the dock, turn the boat to the left, then hit reverse. You need to hit reverse hard and long enough to stop your forward momentum. Turn to the right, forward, neutral, reverse, turn to the left, neutral, forward, neutral, reverse, neutral, forward, neutral, reverse, neutral. You should be able to reach your hand out and stop the boat from hitting the dock. Hook on your dock line and you're good to go. Now pulling away from the side shimmy. Remember, your boat pulls to the right. So if you just get into the boat and try to back it up, it'll pull in this direction. Instead, you need to push the back end out further than the nose. You might need to go forward and turn into the dock. Neutral, reverse. Neutral, forward. Neutral, reverse. Now hit reverse and back yourself away from the dock. Once in deep enough water and enough clearance, you can just flip a 180 and you're on your way to go have some fun. Now that you know how to drive your boat around the dock, you're probably wondering, how do I teach somebody how to wake surf? Well, I've got you covered. Click on this video right here. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.